In the next 6 months, the world is going to divide into two groups: the architects of AI system and the victims of AI efficiency. We are in the middle of the massive shift right now. And honestly, learning to build your own AI agent isn't just a nice to have skill anymore. It's a survival tactic. This is a game changer that separates the people who are doing grunt work from the people who are designing the system. Instead of you manually checking your updates, filtering emails, and chasing notification like 24 into 7 clerk, you can build a digital assistant who can does all your hard work for you. Now, what do I mean by that? In simple terms, an AI agent is a triple threat to the modern workplace. It's a perfect blend of automation, intelligence, and decision making. Unlike a standard bot that just follow a rigid script, an agent actually thinks through the information it gets. It reads the data, identify what actually matters, and makes a choice on how to act. Now in this video, we are going to take a practical approach and build one such system using N8N. For those people who are new to N8N, N8N is basically a no-code tool that let you create your workflow visually without writing a single complex code. And just to keep things clear in this video, our focus is on building and understanding through hands-on. But if you want a more detailed explanation of AI agents, I've already created a separate video for that, which you can check it out. I've given the link in the description. That being said, let's move ahead and actually build your first AI agent. Before we start building step by step, let's understand how this system works. The process begins with the schedule trigger that run the workflow automatically at a fixed time every day. Once the workflow starts, it sends the request to the news API to fetch the latest headline from internet. After receiving the news data, the workflow extract only the top few headlines of interest. These headlines are then passed to an AI model, which convert them into a clean and readable message. Finally, the formatted message is sent to your Telegram using a bot. That's the high level view. But let's get practical. Let's open up N8N and I'll show you exactly how to build your agent from scratch. Okay, so very first step is go to Google and search for N8N. Go to the first link. So here, what we have to do, since we are the first user, so we need to create a new account. So go to sign in and here there's an option new here. So click over there, start a free trial. You have to put your email, likewise I'm putting mine. Hit the submit button and there's a verification link that has been sent to your email that you have mentioned. So go to your email and click on the verify. Alongside, you have to just give your credentials like your name, password, and the account name that you want to have with the extension of .app that is already mentioned over there. One thing that you need to keep in your mind, like there should be no dots in between the name. Okay. Later on, you have to just give some few information about yourself, your company, and the background that you're following. Here we get to the dashboard of N8N. So on the left side, you can see a plus sign. You have to click there, click on workflow, and go to the personal. So this is the home page of creating your own workflow. So click on add first step. Later on, go to search bar and search for on a schedule. Scroll down and go to trigger at R and select 8 a.m. So our trigger will continuously execute every day at 8 a.m. Click on execute step. Now click on plus. Now here search for HTTP request. Yeah, the first one. So here remember the method should be get, and here we have to put our, in the second part, the URL part, we have to put a news API. Go to Google and search for newsapi.org. The moment you get over there, you have the option to get API key. So click over there and you have to put your, you have to register, you have to put your credential for that. So put your name, enter your email address, choose your password, click on agree the terms and hit on submit. So as you can see, there's an API key that is visible on your screen. So just copy it. So as you can see, I'm referring a link that is given in my document. That is in the link below. So just go through, there's a GitHub repository. You can download the document over there. So there are some few commands that we need to put in. in different steps, we need to just put some JSON commands. So all the steps are explained over there. So just copy this news API URL. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. Go back and click on back to home, scroll down, and you can copy this particular API, go to your workflow, paste it over there. So at the last of this, you have to paste the API that was pre-generated. After this, you have to just click on execute step. Okay, so we are done with HTTP request. Now we'll, in the search bar, we'll just go for text editor. So what exactly is text editor? We have to search for edit fields. So this is the text editor. Here we have to just go and give the mapping for the field that we need. So we'll go for the first field, and this is, as you can see, in the document that I am providing, I have to just copy the headline one and give the name as headline one, and at the same time the value is going to be JSON output or JSON heading 1, heading 0. So this is the heading, JSON article 0 title. We have to give the heading for number of news that we need. If we need 2, then we need to give 2 headings. If we need more, so we need to give more heading. So likewise, we'll just go with heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 simultaneously. Okay. So we're done. Once we are done with all the headings that we need, so in this example, I've given 3 headings along with the title. So as you can see here, in heading 1, the article, the number is 0, in heading 2 is 1, and 3 is 2. There will be 3 news on our Telegram. Okay, then we hit the execute step. So it is completely being executed. We'll just go and click on plus and click on we'll search for AI agent. The moment we add AI agent, we need to put a chat model. In the AI agent, we get a drop down menu, and here we have to search for the second part. First one is connected chat trigger node. We'll not go for that. We'll click there and we'll go for define below. So we are giving the prompt manually. So here in the prompt, that is the user message, you have to go to the document and search for the prompt and just give the prompt here. Okay, once it is done, we'll just hit it execute. So it will ask for chat model. So chat model, in this particular, we are going for Google Gemini. So we'll search for Google Gemini chat model, and here is the select credential. We'll click on select credential. We'll give the host API. It will directly generate. For API, we need to search for Google AI Studio. Once you click on Google AI Studio, there will be some APIs. So at the left bottom, you can see get API key. You have to click over there, get API, or you can go with the create API key on the right corner. Then create API, and there's a new API that has been created for you. So just copy the key and paste it in the API key in N8N. So scroll down and hit on save. So by this way, our credentials are successfully created. So here we have to search for the model, and model is preferably Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, now at the end we have to just search connect Telegram. So search for Telegram node and select send text message, and here we have to give some credentials. So click on new credential. So here we need to put the access token. For access token, we'll go and search for Telegram in the new tab. The moment you hit for Telegram, go for the first, search for bot father, and at the end go for start, then go for new bot, and here we have to give the name for our bot. So I've given my name with 007 and bot. That's it. So we have to choose a username for that. So we'll be going with the username, that is Hemant007 underscore bot. That is already existing. So we'll just modify the username. I copied it, paste it once again, and before that I'll just hit news because we are doing a news analysis. So is it done? Yeah, it's done. Good. So we'll just copy this particular token. Okay, first go to the bot and just hit a hi message. Okay, first go to the bot and just hit a hi message. Okay, it's done. Then go to the document. Go to the document and copy this URL that you can see on your screen. Copy this URL and paste it. So let me just tell you what this URL is all about. This URL will just give you an update. What is this? api.telegram.org/bot. After bot, you need to put your access key and we'll just hit enter. So the output will look like this. Okay, true, result, empty. Then we'll go to the same bot. Here we'll just give another hi message. We'll ping this bot and we'll reload the another tab. So here you can see the ID. We need to have this particular ID. So we'll copy this ID and we'll just go back to N8N. We'll click on plus. Here we'll search for Telegram. Select Telegram, scroll down, and later on you'll just go with send a text message. So we'll select the send a text message, and here we have to select credentials. So click new credential. So access token, that was the token that was generated by bot father. So we'll give the bot father access credential here, and the base URL is same. Just click on save. We don't need to do anything here. Hit on save. Okay, then scroll down here. It should be multiple option, chat, callback, file, but we'll go for message only. Operation will be same. Chat ID, that ID we got from the link. Exactly. So we are done with this. We have to give a text input as well. So as you can see, I've copied the JSON output. It is visible on your screen. So we'll just copy the text output here, that is JSON.output, and we'll hit on execute step. Okay, so this node is executed successfully. So we are done with this. So as you can see, we have created our AI agent that take input from HTTP request, that is the API, news API, and edit the message and send it to your particular Telegram bot. So we have run this. Let's try. So workflow already executed. You can see the message. So we are getting the news headline. And that's how we build an AI powered workflow that automatically delivers daily news to your Telegram. In this project, we have created a complete automation pipeline from scheduling and fetching real time data to processing it with an AI and delivering it instantly. This kind of workflow can be extended further. You can customize it for specific topic like technology, finance, or AI, or even use it to build your own content system. Once you understand how each step works and why it exists, you can start building much more powerful automation. And that's where things really get interesting.